Hi, I'm Katrin from Crafty Orange Mouse, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can use my file with the Brother Canvas Workspace. And for this I already opened my software, and you can open the SVG file either by clicking on this button, Import from your computer, or you go to File and Import from your computer. Then you have to navigate to the location where your file is saved. So we select here the folder SVG. And there you can find two different files. So here's one that has dashed lines in its name. And this file has a fixed dotted line. So you will get a perforated line that can be cut with a blade. So you can use this file, this will be fine, but you can't make any settings on the score lines. So therefore there is a second file that says score lines, which has a solid line in it, but you need to prepare the score lines. And this is what I want to show you. So we open this one. And when we have it on our mat, we can already see that the sizing seems to be not okay. So for that reason, we need to have a look at the instructions. So your files come with an instructions PDF file that you can find here in your extracted files. And we have a look at that. And there you can find a page that says something about the sizing. So how does it work? You see here that a gray checkbox. And you see here also the measures for that checkbox. And now if you select all of the elements that are in this checkbox and scale it to the size of the checkbox, all the elements will have the right size. So I design all of my files in a way that they will fit on an A4 paper format or on a US letter format. So the single elements will fit on this paper format. You might need two sheets, but you can do it with that A4 or US letter format. Okay, so let's do the sizing. And we go to the Brother Canvas Workspace and select all the elements together. And now we go to the Edit tab. And now you can see here the height and the width. And please keep that checked here with the main aspect ratio, so the height and the width will be scaled in the same dimensions. So here the height is 330 millimeters, and then everything is already okay. And now we can delete the gray checkbox. And now we can do the scoring. So for that, we have a look again at the instruction file. And we can see here on that page that red dotted lines are the score lines. So we need to do some settings for these lines here. And you see here we have that solid line. So if you would do no preparation, this line will be cut, and this is what we don't want. So I like to use that layers tab here to select the shapes. And this one I want to show you with a scoring tool. So if you have a scoring tool and your machine is able to do that scoring, you can select here in that operation menu, the operation draw. And then you have to put your scoring tool into the machine and use the draw function, and you will get that scored line here. And that's that score line here. But you can also make it as a perforated line. So if you don't have a scoring tool, you can use your blade to make that score line. And for that, I'm going to show you on this shape here. So we select all of the elements and you leave it here as a cut. And then you go here to the line dash pattern and select this dashed line. And there you can see here is a dashed line now, and your machine will cut these lines. And you can fold it then at these lines. and that's it. So you can prepare it however you like and whatever or which tool you have. And you now can prepare your file as you're used to and send it to your machine. So I hope you like the file and I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, just click the like button. And if you have any other questions, just write me a message or leave me a comment. So thanks for watching and speak to you next time.